All right, guys, it's here. I heard rumors that people have been wanting a AI core with Phaze, and it's here. Phaze AI. I got my cheat sheet. It's got a TX16 Pro Reactive Coverstock, Velocity AI core. Factory finish is Power Edge, so that's definitely a new process that I'll need to look into. Colors: ivory, anchor, onyx. High flare potential, and most of all, the most important thing, what does it smell like? Cherry vanilla cupcake.
Let's party.
Let's go throw some shots.
What's up, everyone? Today I'm excited to dive into the newest addition to the Storm family, Phaze AI. If you love the Phaze 2, then this ball is a game changer for you. Think Phaze 2, but with a pearl cover stock, meaning you're going to get a similar low RG, high differential, but now with more back end thanks to the TX16 Pro Reactive cover stock. It's all about control and versatility when it comes to the Phaze AI. With its new Power Edge finish, the Phaze AI clears the heads effortlessly and gives a smooth, controllable motion off the breakpoint. The AI technology brings that little extra edge, enhancing the ball's dynamics and pin carry. For me, this ball sits perfectly in the middle of my bag and pairs up beautifully with my Phaze 2 for a solid 1-2 punch.
Did you see that? Now I'm going to compare it to the Marvel Pro, because I have a lot of people say, is this going to be the next Marvel Pro? Well, we'll find out. I feel like the Marvel Pro versus the Phaze AI, they are fairly similar. The Marvel Pro feels like it still has a cleaner cover stock. Overall, left to right, they've got similar hook potentials. So my answer is yeah, it might be the next Marvel Pro. The Optimum Idle Pro versus the Phaze AI, I feel like overall they're very similar. So if I have an Optimum Idle Pro in my bag, I probably wouldn't have the Phaze AI. But if I'm looking to replace the Optimum Idle Pro, or that ball that was a symmetrical pro, say you had like a Zen Gold label, and you're looking to replace that spot in your bag, the Phaze AI would be a great ball to fill in that position. So where does the Phaze AI fit in your bag in a 6-ball arsenal? First up, I got the Ion Max. That's gonna be my big ball, my go-to ball on fresh oil, on lane conditions where there's a lot of oil on the lane. And a ball down from that is gonna be where I'm probably gonna have a DNA coil, which is my asymmetrical pearl option. That's gonna give me a little bit more back end when my Ion Max is going a little bit too forward. Then a step below that, I would put an Ion Pro. That's right in the middle of my bag. That's my benchmark ball reaction. And then a step below that, that's where I have the Phaze AI. So this is gonna be a ball that I'm gonna wanna use on burn, a little bit later on the block, lane surfaces where there's a little bit more built-in friction, and slightly lower volume patterns. And then I have a step below that. I'd probably put either the High Road or the Lightning Blackout as a ball below that. And then I have my urethane, and that completes my 6-ball arsenal. Kick it.
Ay, okay, let it be known. I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me, and hopefully you understand G.O.D. Maybe this cold and I'm talking like no degrees. This ain't a fluke. I seen it way before it ever happened. He gave me the view. I had to put in my time on the TV. It coming in soon. I couldn't leave it all up to a variant or an experience. You gotta get up and do what it do. So complicated, homie, it's you. Always gonna wait until you in the mood. I've been running, keep